Carly. Army daddy, hands in here ready for battle. I suggest you to go cut the door and perf your foes and get inside prayer and blast one. You better know that he come back first, beginning in the lab one. I tell the truth, I don't lie, and all of these witch people like magic. Love it covers them more to the sin, that's where it goes.